evening, parents, and here I am with another video. This is a little bit easier, but I'm going to take my time, and please make sure your student do this and show all working on the blank piece of paper. I do not want to see the answers in this only. You can write your answers in this. However, I need to see your work on paper. Show all working. So the question we're doing today is 3/4 and 5/6. So we're doing common denominator to write equivalent fraction. So we're finding the common denominator to write equivalent fraction. Isabella? So the first thing you do, you're going to find multiples of the denominator, which is 4 and 16. 4 and 16. So 4 times 1 equal 4. 4 times 2 equal 8. So we're going to do sum to 5. 4 times 3. 4 times 4. And 4 times 5. Let's do this one. 16 times 1. 16 times 2, 16 times 3, 16 times 4, and 16 times 5. Anything you multiply by 1, you get it back. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8, or you can call 4, then add 4 more to it. 4 plus 4 give you 8. 8 plus 4, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 12. 12 plus 4, 12. 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 plus 4, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So now we're going to do the 16 times table. 16 times 1 equals 16. So I'm going to draw another line over here to do the 16 times table. 16 plus 16 equal 12, 1, 32. 16 times 2 equal 32. All right, we're going to stop right there and check before you go any further. So if you look over here, you're going to ask yourself, number 4, do we have a number 4 over here? No. 8, do we have number 8 over here? No. 12, look over here if you have number 12. No. 16, look over here, you have 16. So the common denominator is 16. Please have them check them off, because some numbers have more than one common denominator. Not some, all numbers have more than one common denominator, but it's the first one we're using, the lowest common denominator. If you don't use the lowest common denominator, you're going to have problems when you're ready to add fractions and subtract fractions. So here we go. So the common denominator is 16. So you're going to write back the lines like this. Then you're going to write your 16 as a denominator, 16 as a denominator. What did you multiply by 4 to get 16? See, 4 times 4. Make a circle like that. Put the 4 right here. Whatever you multiply the bottom by, you multiply the top by. What can you multiply by 16 to get 16? Draw a line. So it's going to be 1, 1. I draw the circle so you know it's the same number that you multiply the top and the bottom by. Same number you multiply the denominator and the numerator by. So let's multiply and check to make sure our calculations are correct. 4 multiplied by 4 equals 16. That is correct. 3 times 4 equals 12. Write the 12 right there. 16 times 1 is 16. 5 times 1 is 5. And this right here is your final answer. Thank you. Have a great day.